You don't need to spend thousands to upgrade your YouTube setup. In fact, some of the best Prime Day deals are under $100 from lights, microphones, tripods, SSDs. We've actually rounded up the best budget-friendly gear that will actually make a difference. Craig, let's first talk about deals under $25.
So the first couple of deals we have are some lighting solutions for creators if you want some simple lights. So the first is this Amaran Go. It's a magnetic light that actually can attach to the back of your phone or different surfaces. It's magnetic, which is cool. So it's on sale 21% off. So $23. You can clip this to the back of your phone and flip it towards yourself for a little selfie light. It's also got a mirror on the back with like a little light as well. You can use to like check your makeup, your teeth, all those kinds of things. It's a cool light and a great entry point for anybody who doesn't have a light to film themselves already. And the second light on our list is from SmallRig. It's the Vibe P108. So this is cool because it's a RGB light. So it's going to allow you to add those color accents. Like you can see there's like a splash of blue in my studio right now. You can use this light to add a color accent when you're shooting B-roll. Maybe you're doing some product shots or something, or you want some color on your background. This is a cool little RGB light that you can use to add color on your scene.
Now this next thing actually my purchase for myself. This is the Neewer 7-inch articulating magic arm. This allows you to mount different accessories to your camera rig like a monitor and allow you to adjust as you go and lock it down securely so it doesn't move. So this thing is awesome, 50% off, so it's only $10. I think I might pick this one up. Now one of the easiest ways to just get up and running recording videos is using your phone, and just getting a simple accessory can make filming a lot easier, like a phone tripod. Here's a very basic one that functions as a selfie stick, as a vlog handle, as well as a little tripod stand, and it comes with the included phone mount as well. So this is a great way just to level up making videos right now. 25% off, so only $23.
Our next accessory is what's called a dummy battery. So this is going to supply power to your camera, and we chose the one that's the NPF W50. So it's designed for some of those smaller Sony cameras like the ZV-E10, but there's a lot of different types, and we'll link maybe a couple different options in the description based on your camera type. So all this does is allow you to use wall power instead of relying on a internal battery for your camera. And that's what Nate and I are doing right now. We're recording for quite a long time today, and it'd be super stressful if we were relying on internal batteries. So dummy batteries are the way to go. It'll power your camera and you don't have to worry about your battery ever dying. And then we also have a couple of SD card solutions so that you can record content to your camera even in the first place. So we have some MicroSD cards. These are $15, which is 33% off from PNY. So these are going to be great for action cameras or audio recorders, anything. Drones sometimes take MicroSDs. So this is an important thing to have in your toolkit. And then there also is the full-size SD card version, 128 gigs, a 2-pack that's going to give you 256 gigs of storage. That'll let you record for hours.
Now, one thing you want to make sure that you don't buy the wrong SD card and based off of its speed rating. So these are classified under V30. So this is going to be great for any camera that can shoot 4K, but for some things that need higher resolutions or more frame rates, you might need to step up to a V60 or a V90, which will be more expensive. But definitely check out different deals today, as most SD cards are going to be on sale.
Now, shifting gears a little bit, we're going to talk about some deals under $50, starting first with this wireless microphone system from Boya. This is the Boya Mini, and we actually just did a dedicated review about this mic system. And this mic actually performs really well for the money. So it's 32% off, $40 for the USB-C version. And I think most people won't need necessarily the combo kit. So the combo kit is a little bit more than $50, but for most people, the USB-C is what you're going to want, or you can choose the Lightning option if you're an iPhone user. But this is going to give you those 2 wireless microphones and a good receiver to get better audio quality out of your smartphone. We have a second microphone here as well from Fifine. This is the Fifine AM8 podcast microphone, and I've featured this microphone here on the channel multiple times because of the audio quality just being so good for the price. This is on sale right now, 34% off for $48 about for a high quality podcast microphone. And it even comes with the boom arm with this setup. And then there's another option that you could get like a tabletop mic stand. So I actually compared this to my Shure SM7DB, which is what I'm using for this video. This mic costs $500 and that mic costs $48. And honestly, they're pretty comparable in terms of sound quality, which just blew my mind. Like, why would you spend $500? Like, I got ripped off, right? Like, what's going on here? So anyways, this is a great deal for beginner podcasters or live streamers.
One of the ways to instantly improve the quality of your videos is to improve your lighting. And here we have a deal on this Softbox kit. It actually comes with 2 different lights, and this has a nice soft diffusion layer. So your skin's gonna look a little bit more flattering when you're in front of it. It's also just easier on the eyes. These things are bicolor temperature adjustable, so depending on your environment, you can adjust the warmth and coolness. This is $50, 21% off, and you get 2 lights with this price. If you are just getting started with making videos, then you will need a solid tripod. And this one by K&F Concept is a tall tripod at 64 inches, can compact really nice and small, even comes with a phone tripod mount to put it on your tripod. So even if you're just using your phone, picking up a light, picking up this tripod, you're going to get much better looking videos.
So now we'll move on to deals that are under $100, starting with this awesome SmallRig phone vlog selfie monitor. This thing is so cool. When you and I saw it at NAB, Nate, we were just shocked because it was like $65 at launch, but right now it's 10% off. So $58, and you get this awesome monitor that I actually have right here, and it attaches to your smartphone or even the vlog kit that it comes with. It's like a mini tabletop tripod. And then you can mirror your phone's screen to this monitor to use this and pair it with like the camera app. And now you're able to use those rear facing cameras a lot easier when you're recording your content, because now you can actually see yourself. You put this on the back of the phone and you can see yourself really nicely. There's not too much lag even. The image quality is pretty good. So I love this thing. I would pay 65 bucks just for the monitor itself, and it's on sale for 58, and you get that sort of vlogging kit with it. So awesome deal. Now we have another tripod here that's from SmallRig. So this one is $55, which is 20% off. And this one is 71 inches tall, so a little bit taller than that K&F one that we mentioned. And this can also convert to a monopod for those of you who don't need to use 3 legs and you want to just move around a little more freely on a monopod with 1 leg. This is great for like wedding filmmakers. I use them all the time in wedding filmmaking or even for shooting concerts. So there's different use cases, and this also comes with a phone mount as well. So $55 is a great price for this kit.
Now you can't have great videos without having great audio, and so you need to pick up a solid microphone for your videos. One of my favorites wireless solutions is the DJI Mic Mini. Now if you pick up the 1 transmitter and 1 receiver kit, it's $71 right now, so 20% off. They do have the 2 microphone kit with the receiver, which is a little bit more if you want to pick it up. But honestly, I only use 1 microphone most of the time, and this thing is great. It works both with a camera as well as your smartphone, so you're both good there. Or if you have something like the Osmo Pocket 3 or the Action 5 Pro, you could just pick up the single transmitter, which is only $47. So across the board, save 20% off, and that helps you get great sounding audio with your video.
Another mic system that you could look into is the Hollyland Lark M2. I love this little mic and I use it all the time. And the combo kit right now is on sale 20% off for $95. You're gonna get 3 different types of audio receivers for that price as well. So you can pair this mic system with cameras like 3.5mm devices, USB-C devices like newer iPhones, Android phones, as well as laptops as well, and then lightning devices. So such a cool little mic kit that I love. And a little bonus accessory that I'll actually include is this Movo wireless mic handle. And you might see me sometimes in these videos use the Hollyland mic systems as a more like a professional looking talking head microphone. I love pairing these wireless mics with a wireless mic handle. We took them to NAB and kind of did like man on the street interview type stuff as well. So this is $11, so 20% off. And you can now use this mic off of your body and use it like on a handheld system. Such a cool way to use this mic.
Now, in terms of lighting deals under $100, one of my favorite little lights to bring around with me when I'm filming is the Amaran MC. This is a little pocket LED light. Now, what's cool about this is it's full RGB, but you can also use daylight or warm color temperature. So if you want to use it as a hair light, use it for little product details. This thing also has a very strong magnet on the back. So sometimes I would just mount it up onto something metal and it hooks on there. So super cool light. This is also 20% off. Now, another light that I use all the time is the Accent B7C from Aputure. And I'm actually using it right now back in this lampshade. This allows you to dial in the brightness, the color. If you want to go RGB, you have that full level of control. You can control it from the app on your phone. So this is a great way to use your pre-existing lights, but just changing out the LED light to get full control. Now, if you're trying to light yourself for your videos, you typically need a big softbox light. And this next thing is actually 2 softbox light kits. Comes with the stand, the LED bulbs, and the softbox that allows to get you soft, flattering light. So you're going to look great on camera. And the fact that you have 2 of these for $80 is pretty good. So if you want to instantly improve the quality of your videos, go ahead and pick up this softbox kit.
Now we do actually have a few storage solutions that are under $100. The first would be this 2-pack of Lexar cards. These are 128 gigs, so that will get you a combined 256 gigs of storage only for $51. So that's 35% off. These are great cards. Nate and I actually use Lexar cards all of the time, and we have used them for years. So these are rated for V60. So some of the other cards we mentioned were a little bit lower rating. So these are going to be faster for higher end cameras at higher resolutions as well, which is why you're paying a little bit more for the Lexar cards. We also have a SanDisk 1 terabyte SSD. So this is going to be a much faster hard drive solution than like a more budget-friendly spinning drive. Sometimes those are really cheap, but they're not very fast to edit off of. So we encourage you, if you're gonna edit your videos, work off of SSDs or the internal SSD of your computer. So this is a great entry point into the SSD world. $82 for 1 terabyte is a really affordable price.
Now, if you're looking for a storage solution for your phone, as you can fill up your phone quite quickly with a lot of videos, this is a 1 terabyte phone SSD. So if you have a MagSafe phone like on an iPhone, this just slaps on the back, plug in the USB-C, and you can transfer videos over to the SSD, get them off of your device so that way you can keep recording. So awesome little accessory, just under $100. Another thing that's going to help you record videos for longer is having battery power, in particular V-mount batteries. So this one is a Neewer mini V-mount, so it's a little bit smaller than traditional V-mounts. But what's cool about this is not only does it power your camera, but it has USB ports, so you can power things like your phone, different little accessories that you have. Oftentimes I'll use this for travel, keep it in my suitcase, so that way my phone is always charged. But of course I can use this to power lights, cameras, all kinds of things. This Neewer one is 99 watt hours, just under the threshold for traveling on an airplane. And this will power your camera on for hours at a time. It's currently 12% off at $60.
And then here's an option from SmallRig, and this is a 50 watt hour. So it's going to be a little bit less battery life, but also it's going to be a little bit more compact, which is helpful for traveling or rigging up camera rigs, and you don't want them to be so heavy. Sometimes having like a 50 watt hour V-mount battery is going to be more beneficial than a really super heavy one. Like the Neewer one might be a little bit heavier. So there's lots of options, and SmallRig is very reliable. So you're paying a little bit more premium for that name brand of SmallRig. It's $90. It's the lowest price in the last 30 days at 30% off.
Now, one tool that I use literally every single day is a computer mouse, in particular the Logitech MX Master 3. Currently as on sale is the 3S, which I think is a little bit newer, but this is 21% off. This is a fantastic mouse. It is not only just a great build quality, but also has programmable buttons. So if you want to do quick keyboard shortcuts, you can just program that onto the mouse. But it's also just super ergonomic. So if you get any wrist cramps over using a thinner or less ergonomic mouse, this is a great option, and I'd use this one for years. Actually, Craig, you're using it too, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I think like me, you, Kyle, Sean, all have the MX Master 3, so it comes highly recommended from the Think crew.
Now, if you're a streamer or do video calls or interviews, you might be using a webcam to record your videos, and the built-in ones typically don't look all that great. I know the MacBook ones still kind of look trash, even though it's a $3,000 piece of machinery. But if you want to instantly improve the quality, is to get an external webcam. And these are pretty plug and play. All you got to do is plug in a USB-C directly into your computer, and this will give you nice, crisp 4K looking video. It's not going to compete with something like a mirrorless camera, but definitely going to be a lot better than your built-in webcams. And this is such an easy upgrade for $100. I've actually used this one in particular, the OBSBOT Meet 2. It's a 4K webcam and the colors look great on this little device, so definitely worth picking up.
And then a webcam that I've actually used would be the Insta360 Link 2C, and I'll link a video down in the description where I use this for a $250 live stream setup with lights and microphones, and this was the camera, and it looked really good. This camera actually comes with some software too, where you can like blur your background a little bit and create some fake depth of field or replace your background. So some cool software that's included with the camera itself. So a really great option for beginners.
Now these were just a few deals under $100, but if you want even more Prime Day deals, we have a full video covering things like cameras, lenses, all great stuff. Check out this video right here.